Hello Food Club Insiders! Today we are making a ravishing quick dish with potatoes. Here's how to make it. Let's start with the main ingredient then, 5 middle-sized potatoes. Wash them, clean all the dirt on them, get them in a pot and let them boil. You'll know that they are done when you can poke a fork through them effortlessly easy. Rinse the potatoes at that point and peel their skin. This should also be really easy since they are cooked, and also produces less waste. So that's a good thing. Then grate the potatoes. This part requires a bit patience, I know, but bear with me. Next, in a non-stick pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. And transfer grated potatoes to the pan. Add 4 teaspoons of salt and slightly mix. Gently press on the potatoes to evenly distribute them over the pan. Meanwhile, let it cook over medium heat. Season it with some freshly grounded pepper. Add 2 eggs on top and slightly scramble the eggs. Continue seasoning with a tablespoon of dried mint and chili flakes. At this point, I wanted to add 1 more egg for a much more appetizing look. So let's try it and see how we did, shall we? But first, let me show you this delicious crust underneath. When combined with the smooth interior, the crust balances the texture. Just so heavenly. I don't know, I just love this dish. Definitely a favorite. And if you'll excuse me, I'd really like to finish my plate now. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked it, and tell us in the comments what would you like to see us make in the next videos. Until then, subscribe and be a member of our club.